Welcome to Musto-inves in Cambodia, and right now I'm in beautiful Sihanoukville. You can see behind me is Times Square 10. This is the first project here in Sihanoukville by Times Square. Times Square actually is a very famous and established developer here in Cambodia. In fact, they have already constructed 8 buildings in Phnom Penh city, one more under construction in Phnom Penh, so the 9th building will be constructed in the coming years. And now we have here in Sihanoukville beautiful Times Square. Times Square is going to be a residential complex with 1,500 apartments, and you can see I'm behind the beautiful Altres beach, Sihanoukville's best beach. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Musto-inves in Cambodia, hit the notification button, yes, contact us if you need any legal service here in Cambodia, and let's get started. So yes, you can see right now I'm behind Altres beach. There is Times Square 10 that is under construction. It will be completed in December 2028. And this complex, Times Square 10, will also have a big swimming pool, a lot of stores. You can open a business, you can run a cafe. Like I said earlier, you can start a Western restaurant, which is something in demand here. And you have a gym, you have a playground, you have a lot of facilities, all included in this 1,500 apartment complex facing the beautiful Altres beach, Sihanoukville's best beach, with Koh Rong and Koh Rong Sanlam being only 30 minutes away from here, Sihanoukville. Sihanoukville has beautiful beaches, modern infrastructure, a lot of good schools, and also a lot of facilities, banks, hospitals, everything you need to live a good life. And yes, if you dream of having a home in the Miami of Cambodia, yes, Sihanoukville is a beautiful city. Most of the buildings that were facing problems of construction have been completed, and Sihanoukville has modern roads, modern infrastructure, and there are direct flights from Malaysia, from other countries to the Sihanoukville International Airport. $1 billion will be injected into Sihanoukville because a new deep sea port is being expanded to accommodate larger container ships, and the deep sea port will be enlarged. And also Sihanoukville is catering a lot of international travelers, mostly from Europe and also from India. Yes, a lot of investors have come to Sihanoukville because there are tax incentives here. There are special economic zones where you can open and run a factory, as well as you can operate in other zones. You can start a business with up to 9 years of tax incentives. But yes, in the coming years, Sihanoukville will be a very developed, modern, clean city, and with a lot of infrastructure. There is a big potential to start a Western restaurant because there is demand of Western restaurants here in Sihanoukville. Tourism is increasing day by day. And yes, if you would like to have a dream home from only $58,000, you can own yourself a nice 1-bedroom apartment and 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom apartment with beautiful views of the beautiful Altres beach. Such an affordable price, considering that in 4 years' time, prices of a condo will increase by as much as 50%. So yes, contact us if you're interested, and definitely if you want to rent it out. 1 bedroom will be from $700 per month, 2 bedroom from $1,100 per month, and a 3 bedroom from $1,500 per month if you want to get a unit, an apartment, and then rent it out. So a big potential here in Sihanoukville. We're only 2.5 hours from Phnom Penh with a new expressway, and a Ream City that is also under construction. It's about 20 kilometers from here, with 934 hectares of land that is being developed. So a lot of things happening. Many Macau casino operators are considering to come to Sihanoukville because of its strategic location and also the safety of this city, because this city is very safe. Even walking at night is quite safe. Of course, you have to be careful as any other city in the world, but Sihanoukville is really improving, and if you come here, you will understand it yourself. So this is all I have for you today. From here, beautiful, you can see Brown Cafe, Otres Beach, and Times Square 10 that is under construction. So contact us on our Facebook meta page, Instagram page, and our official website in the description below. This is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.